If the EMS built-in administrator password is forgotten, a super administrator cannot access EMS. And in this case, you can use the password recovery tool. And to use the password recovery tool, you have to go onto the EMS server, or the server where you install the FortiClient EMS. You want to go to the C program files 86 Fortinet and FortiClient EMS, and you are going to run the password recovery.exe. A command prompt dialog is going to open. You are going to say yes to proceed. A temporary password is going to be generated and copied to the clipboard, and we are going to use that password with the username of admin, and we're going to paste that temporary password that we're going to get, and then EMS is going to update your password, and then you're going to enter. Basically, it's going to let you, reset, and I believe what it does, it creates like a new, built-in user, right? So that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and go to the C drive, right? Let's say that, oh man, we forgot our password. So let's go ahead and go to File Explorer. Didn't mean to open that. File Explorer. We're gonna go to this PC, right, where we have the EMS FortiClient, or the FortiClient EMS install. Programs, Files 86, Fortinet FortiClient EMS, and in here we should have a executable that is called Password Recovery.exe, which is this one right here. So we are going to run this, and to proceed, we are going to say yes, and that's going to give us a temporary password to log in as the admin user. So let's go ahead and copy this, and I'm just going to paste it in a text document just to make sure that we get it. There we go. Looks like we got it, and then just press enter. There we go. So we got the password. So now we are going to log in with this temporary password as the admin user. So if we go here, right, go admin, enter the password. And also one thing that to be able to run that password recovery.exe, you must have administrator level permission for the SQL to run the password recovery.exe. So so if you don't have the administrator level for that server, it is not going to work, and you are going to get an error because it won't be able to, to modify the SQL database. So here we go. It's going to ask us to create a new username. I'm just going to call it EMSA, the same as we have before. And in here, we are going to get a new password. Let's put it like that. I'm going to add, there we go. So now let's go ahead and submit it. Submitting. Let's go ahead and give it a second. There we go. Now it says my password has been updated, and it logged me in as the EMS_A user. So that's how you are able to reset or recover a password, or recover access to the FortiClient endpoint management server after you forget the password for the super administrator, for the built-in user of the FortiClient endpoint management server. And like I said before, to be able to run this password recovery, you need to have admin access to the SQL database on your server. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.